All right. Um, so today is Tuesday, October 8th. I didn't make a video on Friday or Monday. Friday I left to Vegas in the morning at 7, and then Monday I uh, forgot to make a video with the time I had before I went to work, before I closed on Monday yesterday. So today's gonna be like a recap of these past 3 days. So we'll talk about like the overall market and where it's going or what it's doing, and then what is going on at this current time. So first off, and then we'll go through my past trades these past couple days. First off, we're gonna go with the overall market. So today it was great. Um, pretty green, pretty green. Yeah, whatever. Just good. Still consolidating sideways. Doesn't know. I don't know. Obviously, nobody knows if this is gonna go up or down. But if it does go up, that'll be great. Hopefully, all these setups, these stocks making setups and flags and bases are all able to break out. So yeah, that's the overall market. And then I'll talk about my trades today. So I've been stocking the, you probably, if you've been paying attention or watching these videos, probably not, but I've been stocking the Chinese market for the meme version, and obviously it's in the Chinese market, so the reversion probably is going to happen in the Hong Kong market or the Hong Kong session, which is exactly what happened. There was zero chance I caught this on the short side or the long side. I mean, zero chance. This thing is full closing at its low of day. Um, there's no chance. Honestly, there's zero chance of me catching this. I know some people caught it through Tiger. Yeah, this one here. They shorted it this day, which was yesterday. They shorted it like in the morning, and then caught the gap down. Some of them held overnight, some of them didn't. But I think this trade, I lost so much money in this trade. That looking for this trade that it probably was never gonna happen in the American markets anyways. Um, it's all stimulated in the Chinese Hong Kong markets, and you know it's all obviously China related. So I don't think this is probably hindsight. It's 100% hindsight, but now that it happened, I'm like, oh, yeah, that probably makes sense. So it didn't happen on the American on the or during our session, the New York session. So yeah, well, the thing does move in gaps though. That's all it ever did. That's all it's ever done. Just move gaps, 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 gaps. So um, with that being said, I was hoping for a bounce with this 33% gap down on the 3 times bull. So around a 10% gap down overall. The overall Chinese, let's see, 7%. Baba. So the Chinese ETF, yeah, around 10% Chinese internet ETF. So I was waiting for a bounce, um, and it happened. It was working well. I bought yen in the morning. Let's see, in the morning I bought it here at 41. What did I buy it? Hold on, let me check. Yen. I bought it at 42.31. So right around here. Bought it right around this area here, and it shot up. Like $1.50. I think. It's like yeah, $1.50. So I thought it was looking great. I was like, okay, great. I caught the bounce, and then just flushed, broke down lows, and then kind of consolidated, and then broke down lower. You can see it here. Consolidated and then broke down lower, and I was like, okay, well, bounce is not happening today. And then end of day just shoots up. I don't know if I don't know what time the Hong Kong market's open, but because I know they're 15 hours ahead, or 14, 15, 16. I don't know. I don't know how many, or 8. I don't know. Who cares? But I don't know if this is due to the Hong Kong market opening or what, but that's so basically back to where almost nearly where it opened. Not really, but so missed that bounce, lost on it, and then I bought DJT. The reason why I bought this, I thought there was a lot of volume. I thought that it actually looked pretty good in the morning. Also, not really a breakout setup if you really look at it. So, and I bought such tiny size, tiny, tiny, tiny size. I bought it at 41.80. I mean 41.80. 41.80. Idiot. I think I bought it at 18.70. I bought it right around here as it was coming up. Or actually, I think I was buying it. Let me go check. Sorry. Oh, you're stuttering. So I bought it. Yeah, I bought it on the way down in the morning, near red to green ish. When it bounced off red to green, bought at 1874. Bought at 1874, and so I bought such small size. I only bought like 50 shares, just tiny, tiny, tiny size, just because I wanted to get in this thing. Because I really like it's being accumulated here, and I think the overall market or um the betting sites and all that stuff, they're having. I think they're slowly turning towards Trump to win. It was Kamala, I think during this time. I don't know if this was no, that wasn't the assassination. I forgot when the assassination was. Maybe here. I didn't write it on here, but it's been slowly been selling off, and then I think the tides have been turning. That's what I've been hearing or reading about. So don't quote me on that, but I think that's what the spark of the move is. But this thing could easily, go back to 40s. There might be some resistance along the way, like maybe around 30. But I really think so, and I think I'm gonna, if I can able to, buy some more tomorrow. But yeah, I only bought tiny, tiny size. I was risking like $3. No, I bought it about 1870, which is right around here. I was risking like $16. Not $16. I was risking like $2. Yeah, I wonder why I only bought such little shares. Then should have bought more. But hindsight. Yeah. So I bought this today. It was looking good. It was looking strong. I really liked it, and I feel like the tide's turning. I mean, I don't really care. I don't really care about politics at all, but that's what I've been hearing about. So I was like interested. And then so that's it for Monday. I didn't trade at all. I didn't touch anything. I didn't think anything was worthwhile. Uh, okay, Wolf coming back. So this was Monday. I don't think anything really broke out Monday. It looks like everything broke out today, though. God damn it. Yeah, nothing really broke out. So that's why I didn't touch anything. At least on my watch list, nothing broke out. Wow. Weight Watchers, huh? Shards earnings. They had a good run earlier this year. Or was it last year? Last year. Choppy run though. Never mind. I thought it was a lot better. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe in here. Yeah. But let's take a look back at my trades on Friday. Absolutely horrible day. I got a max stop loss. Um, so yeah, it's not fun. But also, I shouldn't have even traded that day, to be honest with you. Just mentally, it's just been strained or drained both. It was just been just losing so much, and it's just like I don't even know what I'm doing. I feel like I don't even know what I'm doing. Like I'm just lost, and it's mentally draining, and it's not really fun. I feel like I'm missing everything, and I can see it in my trades. These stocks I want to buy in the breakouts, I'm just completely missing them. Like just swinging and missing. I have the right ones. I'm looking at the right stocks. I'm watching the right ones. I'm just not doing it correctly. So I gotta have to figure out what I'm doing wrong. Anyways, so I've been going through it recently. Shouldn't have even traded Friday morning because the market opens up 9:30. Um, Eastern and then Western 6:30. But then I left at 7 in the morning, so I would have had like 30 minutes to trade, and I just shouldn't have even touched it. That's what I get though. Now I learned traveling days do not trade. So going off for um, this trade here, Poet. I bought it in the morning. I thought it was breaking out. Sorry for the lip smacking. But I thought it was breaking out in the morning. This day here, uh, it was some elevated volume. It did break out. Technically, it did. I to me it did, and then it just completely failed, which is fine. No, that means the stock wasn't made to break out. I also thought it was a good buy because I think Nvidia was breaking out too. Nope, incorrect. But it was no, yeah, I don't know why I bought it. Well, it was breaking out in my opinion. Oops, it technically broke out if you look at it here, right? And then intraday, if you see this thing up 4%, 5%, it's like a good buy. So I bought it at at around 470. And then, so my stop was here, but that's because I took huge loss on BNTX earlier. I'll get to that right now. But this is like me getting stopped out, not my hitting my stop, not hitting my stop to like get stopped out. It was like these were my last two trades that were on, and then when my unrealized losses neared 1,000, plus my realized losses, and it neared 1,000, it just got me out. So that's why it's the middle of the range. And then go back. That was Poet. I also bought Lumen that day. Lumen, I bought it right at the top, literally right at the top. Um, yeah, I thought I was breaking out that day, which was this day here. Yeah. I obviously anticipated it, which is I feel like what I've been doing. I think that's my problem. I've been anticipating these breakouts. Not really anticipating, but like not letting them not letting them build more, and then just just not really trading them correctly because that's not really a breakout. Well, this is also obviously hindsight during the time, but I mean during the time it was only up 2%, not even above the 10-day. Uh, yeah, so that one I took another loss. But that one as well, as you can see with the loss size, I think I got stopped out right before I hit my max loss. Or this was also in conjunction with my max loss stop. And then these two, I took massive losses. I completely miscalculated the risk here. I think I just completely, because I don't take this much of risk at all, even with Indo. Actually, no, Indo, I went for it twice, I think. I'll look back right now. But, yeah. Yeah, I completely misjudged this one. Completely misjudged it. 122, 119, $2 on how many shares? 400 shares. Oh, traded, so 200. Oh, yeah, that was calculated incorrectly. So I was risking $400. I did not mean to risk $400, but I don't think I'd be in it anymore. Oops. Let's see here. BNTX. So that's the day. This is the day I bought it. It was broke out that day. It was a good buy, I believe, in my opinion. This is a great good buy. Although the volume was very, very low. Even the previous day's volume was higher than that. So that should have been a sign that it was weak or that it wasn't really a real breakout. So, the market told you 2 days after. Yeah. So, but I got stopped at that same day. I mean, once again, these low of days stops are kind of kicking my ass. But let's see here. Yeah. So I mean, perfectly low day. Like I don't know if we can get. Hmm, like look at this right here. I think I had my stop at 119.75, so right around here, which is just slightly higher than low of day, low of day. But anyways, yeah. Next is so I traded four stocks that day. I just had no reason to be doing that. And then Indo, I thought I was gonna be able to catch it short. Jesus Christ, yeah, I don't know how. I, yeah, that's right. I took two trades. I took two trades. What did I do? What did I do? Right, right, right. I thought I was trying to do a superhero trade and trying to short this thing because I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I was trying to short it here this day. No, I was trying to short it here. Um, a little bit more. Just a super choppy day. Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, so I tried to short this thing. Wasn't a good idea. I don't even know why. It's just shouldn't even touched it short. The war, I think, just started, or I don't even know who it's with. Iran and Israel, I think. They just invaded them. I have no idea. What? I tried to short this thing. I should have tried to do it twice. Um, but yeah, just horrible, 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 horrible. Now it's had a pretty good move actually from what I was gonna. But here's the thing: if I would have longed it here, I would have got stopped out this day or this time, and I would have been, cooked both ways. But that's not a stock I should be buying at all. It's just mid-range. There's nothing here, nothing, not even on the hourly. And the hourly, it kind of broke out here for like a 25% move. Here, there's nothing. So that was just a dumb mistake from me. Just a lot of those. I make tons of dumb mistakes. But so that was my trades for Friday and Monday, Tuesday. See, I tried Yang again, and I tried Yang again here. EVGO, my goodness. I talked about this the other day. That pissed me off. Pissed me off so bad. Like, I even put a lower low day, and it still stopped me out. I think I did a review on that one already, but yeah, I mean, this some of this stuff is infuriating because I think I missed Dave. So EFGO, I just this huge. I bought it. I wasn't here at 5:30. This area, I bought it. I mean, I think they say potential gains, losing potential gains is hurts more than actual loss. Dave, I missed this one too. It's alright. It's alright. But and then Wolf missed this one. I talked about that last week. Dogs very very wide. Don't want to touch that one. WGS keeps on trucking along. Lumen, I'm probably gonna cut it. ASTS. I was gonna think about shorting this one, but it's holding up, so I don't really know if this theme is. I think this theme is over. Actually, mm, they're holding the moving averages. Wow, people on Lunar got messed up today. That sucks. That's horrible. You have the stock that breaks out 9% and just retraces all of it back. Not a good sign. I mean, this to me, this means there's a lot of selling in there. So probably gonna looking for a short tomorrow. If it failed this breakout on well, it's not really average volume, but $13 million 13 million volume, pretty elevated compared to the last couple of days. So yeah, I might look for that short tomorrow. But yeah, that's about it for right now. I just been going through it these past couple of weeks, just losing more than I would have gained in the first month, and then just making dumb trades, just dumb trades. I get a little too trigger happy. I feel like in my mental state right now, I feel like because the market was pretty good, but I feel like everything is gonna go. Everything I buy is gonna go up, 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 go, 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 go. That's what I believe, and I have this FOMO of getting in early so I can have better risk reward, and then I can have better entries, and then I can make more money, and it's gonna make a huge mass move. It's gonna be my gainer for the year. So I'm having these mental things I gotta go through and be realistic and pick the best ones. Pick the ones with themes and And also, one thing that I've been doing is kind of like trading blind. What I mean by that is like I don't really know the story behind these stocks. I don't know what's going on. Like Lunar, I have no idea. ASTS, I have no idea. No idea what's going on with these stocks. I mean, since I need to educate myself with more. But yeah, that's it for today. Probably make a video tomorrow, seeing how it's going. So, yeah, that's right. Peace out.